Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back! Whether you're searching for powerhouse performance or you're a budget-conscious consumer seeking versatility, you've come to the right place. In this video, we've covered the top 5 best value mini PCs of this year. For more details and prices, check the links in the description below. Number 1. Apple Mac Mini. Supercharged by the M2 chip, this powerhouse boasts 8 CPU cores and 10 GPU cores, delivering exceptional speed and performance for all your tasks, from multimedia to business. Connect what you want with ease, featuring Thunderbolt 4 ports, USB-A ports, HDMI port, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, Gigabit Ethernet, and headphone jack. Simply compatible. Your favorite apps run lightning fast, thanks to optimization for the M2 chip. Plus, over 15,000 apps and plugins are ready to go. Efficient memory. With up to 24 GB unified memory, multitasking is a breeze, and handling large files is seamless. Keep it safe and secure. Benefit from industry-leading privacy and security features, including built-in protections against malware and viruses. Pros: lightning fast with M2 chip. Versatile connectivity. Seamless integration. Cons: limited storage capacity. Higher price. Limited customization. Number 2. Beelink Mini PC. With its Intel 12th Gen Alder Lake N95 processor, boasting speeds up to 3.4 GHz. This mini PC is versatile, catering to everyday use, business needs, HTPC setups, and ROS applications. Equipped with 16 GB DDR4 RAM and a lightning-fast 500 GB PCIe X1 SSD. Stay connected effortlessly with Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 4.2, Gigabit Ethernet, and 4 USB 3.2 ports. Whether it's for work or play, the Beelink Mini PC delivers unparalleled performance and convenience. Upgrade your computing experience with the Beelink Mini PC, the perfect blend of power and portability. Pros: powerful Intel 12th Gen. Generous 16 GB DDR4 RAM. Large 500 GB PCIe X1 SSD. Cons: limited to Wi-Fi 5 connectivity. Potential compatibility. Moderate number of USB ports. Number 3. GEEKOM Mini A5 Mini PC. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5800H processor, this mini PC is ready to tackle anything from everyday tasks. With 32 GB of high-speed DDR4 RAM and a lightning-fast 512 GB M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD, you'll experience seamless multitasking and ample storage for all your files. Despite its power, the GEEKOM Mini A5 Mini PC is incredibly compact, measuring just 4 multiplied by 4 x 1.9 inches, perfect for any workspace or on-the-go setup. Stay connected and productive with lightning-fast Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring seamless browsing, streaming, and wireless connectivity. Pros: AMD Ryzen 7 5800H processor, ample 32 GB DDR4 RAM, 8K output. Cons: limited storage expansion options, much higher price, limited performance with VGA. Number 4. GMKtec Mini PC N100. Powered by the 12th Gen Intel Alder Lake N100 processor, this mini PC delivers unparalleled performance, perfect for routine tasks, office work, and others. With 12 GB of DDR5 RAM and a speedy 512 GB hard drive, you'll experience lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. Stay connected with dual LAN ports, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2. ensuring fast and reliable connections for all your devices. Whether you're in the office, at home, or on the go, the GMKtec Mini PC N100 is your all-in-one solution for business success. Pros: efficient Intel Alder Lake N100 CPU, fast DDR5 RAM and SSD, dual LAN and versatile connectivity. Cons: limited to 12 GB RAM, relatively small storage capacity, compact design. Number 5. GEEKOM Mini PC Mini ID11 NUC11. Featuring an upgraded 11th Gen Intel Core i5 1155 G7 processor, Clocking up to 4.5 GHz with 8 threads, this mini PC delivers impressive performance with support for 8K UHD and up to 4 displays simultaneously. Powered by Intel Iris Xe graphics, immerse yourself in sharp, lifelike visuals for multitasking. Equipped with 16 GB of lightning-fast DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB M.2 PCIe SSD, expandable up to 64 GB RAM and 2 TB SSD, the Mini ID11 ensures smooth operation and ample storage space. Despite its small size, the Mini ID11 offers extensive connectivity options, including USB 4.0, USB 3.2, HDMI, mini DisplayPort, and more, making it versatile for various setups. Pros: high-performance processor, supports 8K UHD resolution, ample RAM and SSD storage. Cons: limited expandability for RAM, may lack dedicated GPU, higher power consumption. Our comprehensive review of the best value mini PC for this year. We trust that our analysis has been valuable in guiding your decision-making process. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Thanks for watching. Happy computing!